Dear children, today we have discussed about the topic irrational number. In the given sum in this board, the very important sum 4 marks, very important. So, what is the definition of the irrational number? What is the definition of the irrational number? The number cannot be expressed in the p by q form, where p comma q is the integers, q is not equal to 0, then it is called as a irrational number. It is denoted by the symbol for q dash. Okay, this is the irrational number. So in this problem, prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So solution. First, let us assume that the given value is a rational number. We have to convert in the given value in the rational number. So root 3, let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. And what about the rational number? Now, number can be expressed in a p by q form. So the given value root 3 plus root 5 is equal to, what is the rational number? Order form in p by q. So root 3 plus root 5 is equal to p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So next to, can you guess the children? We have to do it in the next step. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. What about the form of a plus b whole square, children? So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or write another method, a square plus 2ab plus b square also we have learned that. So which is the a place value? A place value is root 3, b place value is root 5. So we have to substitution in the formula a square. So root 3 whole square plus b square root 5 whole square plus 2ab means 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equal to b square by q square. Okay? So square root can cancel. So 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 15, that is equal to p square by q square. So 3 plus 5, 8, 2 root 15 is equal to p square by q square. Again, so 2 root 15. So we have to find the irrational number. So the LHS term in like that, or writing down 2 root 15 is equal, root values in the left side. So p square by q square minus 8. So LCM. What is the q square? So p square minus 8 q square, that is equal to 2 root 15. So we should find not find the 2 root 15. We should find the root 15. Why? Because root value is the rational number. So it is a recurring part. Is the rational number. So root 15 is equal to p square minus 8q square by q square into the transpose to LHS to RHS. So we should convert in the division. So 1 by 2. So therefore root 15 is equal to p square minus 8q square by 2q square. So 2q square. That leads to, so p comma q being integers is irrational number is irrational number. So this leads to root 15 is also a irrational number. So which is contradiction? Our assumption must be wrong. Why? Because root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So which is contradiction? Our assumption must be wrong. Why? Because root 3 plus root 3 is a irrational number is wrong. So therefore root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number is a correct answer. So okay, next we will continue the next class. Thank you children.